It's your baby woman, Kitty Lane from Peninsula, Virginia. Back with another Create and Relate. So, scrolling through, I think the tag is, I have to look it up, but I think it's Fiber Do's and Don'ts of 2025. I happened to scroll across Auntie Jane's page and saw it, and I think it's Shannon from, I'll get all of that information and put it in the description box. But I do remember the young lady's name was Shannon. So the title went something like, nope, I'm not gonna be able to do it. My fiber don'ts would include, never will I ever again excuse me, sorry about that. Never will I ever again make anything for anybody without a non-refundable deposit. I have told myself time and time again I'm not going to do it. And as recently as the beginning of the school year for the kids, I had a couple of parents to approach me who wanted ruffle hats. Ruffle hats, unlike your regular bucket hats, take an excessive amount of time. Those ruffles take forever. So when you get two parents that order 3, you know, you can make a bucket hat in an hour, granted, but it's like 4 or 5, maybe 6 hours to make a ruffle hat. And then you don't even want to speak when we see each other at the bus stop? Nah, I don't think that's happening again. And that's on the small end. I've done blankets. I've done a plethora of things. So that's number 1. Number 2 on the list, never will I ever again work with, I thought I had some close by. But apparently I did. Oops. Wait a minute. This right here, that doesn't work well with Kitty. 2 and above. I'm not, unlike this, I happen to run it along with another fiber, which made it not so bad. And that's the only way I work with it. But to do something out of this alone or anything smaller, those days are over. My comfortable hook size is H and above. I start getting uncomfortable when we go down to a G, and that's as low as I will go. I have fat fingers. I do have arthritis issues, but lots of times I can work through it with comfortable hook sizes, and they do not include these. So no. So let me see, that was 2 of them. I think I had like a list of 5. Never will I ever open an Etsy shop again. I am so glad that Etsy has worked out for some people. I think it's great. I really do. And I applaud those people. But when IRS came knocking on my front door behind an Etsy shop that I sold absolutely nothing on, I'm one of those types of people that if it can happen to you, it's gonna happen to you. So just stay away from those. And let's see. Never will I ever work with, I call them specialty yarns. You know, like yarns like the finger knitting or the loopy stuff or the real lacy stuff that, you know, I'm even picky now with chenilles. If it's not that, the premier chenille that they sell at Dollar Tree, I don't even want to be bothered with it. I don't. My OCD makes me start things 5 times for it to look right to me. And if you know chenille, you know chenille does not like to be restarted at all. So no, me and chenille, we don't. And let's see, never will I ever allow anyone else to gaslight me into thinking that I could do so well with my crochet. I'm not negating the fact that I crochet well, and I'm grateful for that gift, but I don't live in an area where I can make the money that these people try to tell me I can make. I don't get out to mingle and see these people, and I don't have the help that I need to get my work out there for it to be seen. So to donate it, to enjoy the experience of making it, to dabble in new things, to go along with challenges, because I love to challenge myself. And I think that's it. I think that's it. But if you go along with the challenge, don't forget to tag Shannon. Like I said, that information, I will have it in the description box below. I think it's Spoonies something, but I do remember the young lady's name was Shannon, and I got it from Auntie Jane from Scraptastic. So it's my list. What's yours?